Hello, Clear Brown, North Dallas in Argyle, Texas. Just finishing up a ceramic window tint on a 2020 Tesla. And one of the things we like to go over is the back window seems to be still the main importance of the car, as it's 5 feet long by approximately 4 foot wide. This goes in one sheet. So up top here is your smoke section from the factory, and then it comes down to about here somewhere, and it's clear. So we put that all in one sheet. Doing 2 sheets is probably not advisable, as it will separate at the seam eventually from the use of the defrosters and just heat overall. So 1 sheet's the way to go. One of the things about our film is we like to have it with no specks in it. And if we do have specks in it, we'll take it off until we get it right. We also have free replacement on all our tint. You scratch it, damage it in any way, just come in. We're happy to replace the window film with no questions asked. And as you can see, we run all these right to the edge. Everything's micro. No need on a frameless door to be not at the edge. So as we go along, we did the moonroof as well, but nothing you can really see here because it's the privacy glass is just going to be darker now. It's going to have a film that has a UV and an IR coating in it. So the privacy glass doesn't come with anything from the factory. However, the aftermarket products, window films, depending on what you get, like this one's ceramic, it'll come with a higher heat rejection overall with IR, UV. And then again, here we are on this side. Again, no debris in our film. Everything comes out really clean. And we're not afraid to throw out some sheets if we have to. We know the things do float around in the air, but again, we like that to be nice and edge-free. So there you go. So if you guys are looking for some window tint, give us a call, Clear Brown, North Dallas. Number right there on the wall, 940-703-8301. And we'll be happy to make your car look like this as well. So there you go, guys. Let me give you a shot from the inside. Really can't tell much, because what it does is you still have your darker section, and then it slides down, and it doesn't really change from the inside out. It's just the outside. The outside is all dark. So it's kind of little, that's the way it's made. Some people get confused by that, but nevertheless, outside it's all like this. And you can go lighter. This percentage on this car is 15% in the back and 30% on the front doors. We're inside, so the lighting's probably not as good to show, but you can get an idea on what you're looking at here. So any questions, give us a call. Thank you.